Hello guys! So good morning everyone, good afternoon, good evening saang sulok man kayo ng mundo na nanood ngayon. Today's video, mag-unbox lang tayo ng ating console table. Dumating na siya, in order ko sa Amazon. So i-unbox na natin to at nang ma-start ko nang ma-assemble pag may time. Oh my god! This is super heavy. Kasi,
I need to pee.
okay, go upstairs.
Mom, what is that? Mom, what is inside? Mom, there's bubble wrap. There's wrapper and stuff.
I'm filming. Move, Ray, move. How about that?
Then what about this?
You wanna pee, right?
Mom, what is that? Mom, what is that, Mom?
Don't break it, please.
A few moments later.
Dad.
In here?
Yeah. That. Do it like that somehow. Okay. That's
That's interesting.
alright.
Oh, it's in already?
Yeah.
Oh,
so,
wow.
I guess we're actually supposed to start with these. Like that. Move this over there.
Don't touch it, guys.
That's 5. So I think that goes in like that.
No, don't touch it, Brian. Can you imagine? It's just a screw, but when you screwed it in, it will fit. How did they estimate it?
And they just measure it and then they do what they need to do. I mean, it's all done by machines now. Okay, there's that. That one goes. Okay. Okay, that one's in. This one is like that.
So ito ready na yan. Ngayon pinifigure ni Daddy kung paano sila i-connect together. Ang labo talaga, ang hirap talagang gawin, guys. Kung ako hindi ko magawa yan, oh. Mga lahati na, guys. So yan yung ano,
Okay, we're getting
TL. Yeah, we're getting there.
We're getting there.
I think this is the top.
Yeah,
That's the bottom.
This is the bottom. And
It's
it
like
is-
that, both sides.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh, that's wrong. I should've
Dad
put
is
that
in
one
step 4 now.
No, I am.
Step 3.
This is step 3, and it's supposed
This
to
is
go
the
in there.
middle part of the console table.
Okay.
That's the base there. That's the
Gotta take
middle.
this out, actually.
And that's the top.
Do it like that.
Yay! At least natapos na ang ating console table. Wood siya, guys, and color, ano yan, brown. That's not black. So, for now, ito lang muna ang temporaring ilalagay natin. Mga gems, ganyan. Pero planning kong magpa-frame ng family pictures namin. Ilagay ko dito. So, itong lalagyan, bigay yan ng kaibigan ni Tam, si Howard. Shout out to Howard. Nung nagpunta dito, nagdala siya ng 2. So, nilagay ko yung isa dyan. And may decorative tray tayo dito. At ito yung mga tanim na binigay ni Sis Juicy. Ililipat ko pa yan. Bumili lang ako ng vase. Oo, so dito ko pa yan pinopropagate. Gipagamot pa dito ba. Tapos itong plant na to, jade plant to, nung nagkilay, humingi ako. Ito. At saka itong snake plant. So may mirror tayo dyan. Nilipat ko from there yan. Nilipat ko yan dito para mag-match siya. Mukhang malaki yung space dito. So dyan may malagyan na ako ng anik-anik ng mga tanim ko. Cactus yan. At yan sa gitna. Ibang tanim naman yan para may kulay kasi kulay brown siya. So yan lang muna ang consultable. At least natapos ni Mr. 2 session yan, Sabado at Linggo. Hindi niya kayang tapusin in 1 upuan kasi nabuboard agad. So at least yan na, tapos na ang ating consultable. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!